Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on CJ Vlogs. And in this video, guys, we're going to be doing a MADFUT pack opening, like FIFA pack opening. So MADFUT is a app that you can open FIFA packs. So we're going to go right ahead and do a little pack opening. So we'll go into our packs. The first one we have, guys, is 100% random pack. So I got like 8 of them or something, I don't know. Something like that, 6 or something. Okay, so we'll go right ahead, open some of these. What's a walkout? Icon. What's it gonna be? Right wing? 94 rated best! Oh my god, guys. Our first pack. We get a 94 rated icon best. Let's go. Oh! Are you guys seeing this? There's 4 icons. Best, Beckham, check, and Okavacha. I don't really know how to pronounce that. And then Team of the Week, Vardy. Then that was literally a god pack. And they're all new icons. Oh my god. That was crazy. Alright, we'll go ahead and open another one. Walkout. Another icon. Spain. CDM. 92 rated. Hero, I think it's pronounced. Oh my god. We are no doubt getting the best icons. We're getting some really good icons. And then another icon. Another icon in this pack. Oh my gosh. This is crazy luck. Alright, let's go ahead and open another one of these. Okay, so walkout. Gold. No, it's Team of the Week. Team of the Week. Gold. Brazil. CDM. 91 rated! Casemiro! Oh my god. We are getting some really good pack luck. 91 rated Casemiro. Team of the Week. Oh my god. Well, let's go ahead and open another one of these. Walkout. Gold, or Team of the Week Gold. Brazil. Manchester City. Goalkeeper. Allison. No. Ederson, 89 rated. We're getting some good cards here. I didn't, never really seen those cards. Those are kind of cool, like colorful ones. They're not the best rating, so let's go ahead and open another 100% random pack, which I think this is the last one. Icon. Did we get, no, right wing? I think we got this one. We got best again! I mean, it's still good, even though it's a double, but I still like it. Oh my god. Then we got, I think that's I don't even know, it might be a Future Stars, I think, card. And then another icon. Cole, and then a Future Stars 88 rated CV. Ruben Diaz. Then we got Gabriel FUT foot champs. So FUT champ. Alright. So next we got a Rainbow Plus pack. Go ahead and open these. I don't think these are as good, but it's walkout. FUT birthday. France. LB. 80 rated Mendy. Oh wow. Too bad I already have that card, but whatever, it's still an FUT champ, or not FUT champs. FUT birthday card. Oh my god. Okay, let's go open the rest of these rainbow packs. But they're not going to be as good because the other one was a Rainbow Plus pack. This is a Rainbow pack. Oh, Summer? No. Zachary. That's a weird card. I don't know what that's called. Not bad. Let's go ahead and open another one. Oh, FUT champs. Jovic. I mean, it's new, so okay, I'll take it. Walkout. Let's go. Walkout. Icon. Spain. CDM. Here. I swear, we're getting the same icons every time, but they're really good icons. Oh my god, hero again. Oh my. Okay, we got one more of these. What's this? I've never seen this card. Like this type of card. Pepe. Alright. So I think that was all of them. Yeah, that was all of those packs. So go ahead and open these OP special packs that I have. Alright. Foot Champs. Ruben Diaz again. I don't know if we got a Foot Champs for that. Pretty good pack, I guess. Not bad. Team of the Week. Oh, that's garbage. That was not good. That was the worst player in the pack. Walkout. Let's go. Icon. England. CM. 86 rated Lampard. Alright. It's not the best one. It's 86 rated. I'll still take it though because it's new and it's an icon. So I'll take it. Okay, we got one more of these. Walkout. Let's go. The last one. Gold. France. Chelsea. Is this going to be? No, I thought it was going to be Conte. Oh, wow. That's honestly pretty good. I thought it was going to be Mbappe at first because it said France or whatever. But that's pretty good. Alright, so done all those. We could... I don't know. I don't think these gold super packs are that good, but we can open them, I guess. We'll open 5 of them. Yes, they're not that good. Yeah, we're not getting the best cards. I mean, I already have them because I have the full set of golds. Yeah, they're not that good. Alright, there. We'll go open. We could see what we get from these gold mega packs. I mean, they're not bad. I mean, I get some good players. Like, once every 5 is a walkout usually. So we got Team of the Week gold. Saka. It's not the best. But, let's go ahead and do some more. That was honestly not a bad pack. There were some better cards in there. Right. Not bad, not bad. I want to get a walkout. I think this one might be a walkout. No. Alright, they're alright. So, with that, then, we'll just open our 85 plus special packs, which are really good packs, and you mostly get walkouts. Oh, what is this? Whoa. Whoa. This is pretty good. Wow. Alright. We got 7 more. Oh, what is this? Cancelo. Wow. I don't really get these type of cards. Alright, here we go. Walkout. Icon. France. Is it going to be Zidane? CDM? No. Petite. Wow. 88 rated. It's alright. I mean, it's still icon and it's new, so. Okay, we got 5 more of these. Walkout. Ooh, what is? I don't really know these cards. Or these type of cards. Italian on 80 read. Oh, not bad. That's pretty good. Oh, then we got an icon! Right! I think that's a definitely, he's normally 85 rated, so it might be his prime icon moments. That's pretty good. FUT champs. MIDI. QT. Mo cute. We got 2 more. Walkout, let's go. What is this? Oh, not one of these ones. Italy. Striker. 88 rated emo. That's honestly pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh my gosh. Last pack magic. Let's go. Walkout. Let's go. Will it be an icon? No, it's Team of the Week gold. Come on. Jeremy. No. Kimmich. It's Kimmich. I already know. This is Oh, it's not Kimmich. This guy isn't that good though. Kimmich usually, he's from Kimmich is 91 rated. Team of the Week gold, which I have 2 of him. I thought it was him because he's from Germany and he's from the same club. But I think he's a CDM or something, not a CM. 87 rated. Okay, I'll still take it. Pretty good. Alright, I guess that was all the packs we had, because those ones aren't that good, but guys, I guess we're done. So we got some really good cards, like honestly, amazing cards. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you go smash that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace.